Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore windstorm coverage questions with Citizens Property detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all relevant documentation related to your windstorm coverage. This includes your current insurance policy, any correspondence with Citizens Property, and any claims you may have filed. Next, familiarize yourself with the specific terms and conditions of your windstorm coverage. Check for any exclusions or limitations that might affect your claims process. Contact Citizens Property's customer service to initiate your inquiry. Be prepared to provide your policy number and any relevant personal information to verify your identity. Politely request clarification on any specific questions you have regarding your coverage. Take detailed notes during the conversation to ensure you capture all important information and responses. If necessary, ask about the process for filing a claim or appealing a denied claim. Inquire about any documents or evidence you may need to support your claim. Request a timeline for when you can expect a response from Citizens Property. If you don't receive a satisfactory answer, consider asking to speak with a supervisor for further assistance. After your conversation, review your notes and follow any instructions provided. Keep a record of all communications with Citizens Property for future reference. If you continue to have questions, consider reaching out to a local insurance agent for additional guidance. Finally, ensure that you stay proactive in following up on your inquiries until you receive a clear resolution. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.